If you want to create a Google Drive link that you can share with anyone, this video will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're sharing a document, a photo, a video, or an entire folder, the process is simple once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and find the file or folder you want to share. This could be anything already stored in your drive, and it works the same way for most items. Once you've located it, right-click on the file or folder to open the menu. From that menu, look for the Share option and click it. This is the main place where you control who can access your content and what they're allowed to do with it. When the sharing window opens, you'll probably see that the file is set to restricted by default. That means only people you specifically invite can open it. If you want to create a link that other people can use, you need to change that setting. Click the access option and switch it from restricted to anyone with the link. This is the most important step because without it, your link may not work for the people you send it to. After that, choose the permission level you want to give. You'll usually see three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. If you only want people to look at the file, choose viewer. If you want them to leave comments, choose commenter. And if you want them to be able to make changes, choose editor. Be careful with this part because the permission you pick determines exactly what other people can do once they open the link. Once the access and permission settings are correct, click Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, message, website, or social media post. After copying the link, click Done to save everything and close the sharing window. Now your Google Drive link is ready to share. Anyone with the link will be able to open it based on the permission you selected. If you ever want to make the file private again, you can go back into the sharing settings and switch it back to restricted. So that's how to make a Google Drive link quickly and correctly. It's a super useful skill for school, work, business, and personal file sharing. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.